everyone, welcome back to my channel again. I'm so happy to have you guys back. Today's video we are going to be using our Morphe 24A Artist Pass palette, and this palette is just so freaking gorgeous. Look at these neon colors right here. They're freaking amazing. I'm just in love with it. And of course this row right here, a girl needs some glitter, and they actually pulled it off with this palette. It's just so freaking gorgeous. I am loving it. So let's just get to our tutorial and slay this look. I'm so excited. Let's get to it. Okay guys, so we're going to be grabbing our palette. The first shade we're going to be grabbing is the color Stage Persona, this soft purple shade. And we're just going to be placing that above our crease and blending. So this will be our transitional shade, our first color. So I really want to like intensify a little bit on that area so it won't get lost once we add the next shade. Okay, now we're going to go back to our palette and we're going to be grabbing our second shade, which is going to be the Major Inspo, this dark purple, and we're just going to be placing that into our outer corner. We're just going to be blending that forward to the crease and start intensifying that area with that shade. Grabbing a fluffy brush, and I'm just gonna just fix up a little bit on the edges and on the crease and just blending those two colors just to soften that shade. We're going to be going to our palette and we're going to be grabbing the shimmer shade. It's called Invite Only. It's like a gold shade, and we're going to be placing that into our lid. But first we're going to be prepping it with my NYX primer glitter so the glue can be intact with the glitter. Okay, now that we placed that glitter primer, I'm going to be starting to put that glitter into close to our inner corner, just halfway, because we are going to be using another glitter as well. Now we're going to be grabbing our second glitter. This is going to be like a light blue glitter, and it's called Insta Baddie, and we're just going to be placing that over our lid. Okay, now we're going back to the palette. We're going to be grabbing the Major Inspo shade, and we're just going to start intensifying that outer corner and the crease just to create that dimension to the look already. Okay guys, so I'm going to be placing my eyelashes and I'll be right back. Okay, now the lashes are on, so we are going to be grabbing again the palette, and we're going to be grabbing the shade Major Inspo, and we are going to be putting that into our lower lash line. Okay, we're going to be grabbing this first shade that we use as stage persona, this light purple, and we're just going to be placing that into our lower lash line just to soften that dark purple that we used right now, just to have a little subtle look. So now we're going to be starting off with bronzing and highlighting and putting a little bit of blush. So I'm going to be grabbing my Beauty Creations Contour and Highlight palette. And for blush, I'm going to be using my Floral Bloom blush from Beauty Creations. Okay, so now I'm going to be grabbing some lip gloss, and I'm going to be using my Mega Last Liquid Catsuit. Now we're going to add some highlight to our nose and our Cupid's bow, and just setting our makeup in place. Okay guys, so this concludes the tutorial for using the Morphe 24A Artist Pass palette. I loved creating this look. I am such a fan of using purples and blues together. I highly recommend for you guys to check this palette out. It is freaking beautiful. The shades are just beautiful, and if you are like me that loves glitter, this is your palette. So I hope you guys enjoy this video. Please like and subscribe. Don't forget to push that notification for my next video. Love you guys.